What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Sick Eric Tech, and today we're going to be taking a look at the anti-reflecting screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. It also comes for the regular S24, and for some reason it comes for the Ultra, even though the Ultra does already have that anti-reflecting display. So I've already installed it on here, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to do this again and waste this screen protector. The things I do for you guys, I swear. So hopefully this time around it does come out, because I did get it perfect, and I swear if I don't get it perfect this time, I'm gonna blame you guys. So here is how the device looks. As you can see, my light right there, and the reflection of that light. Here is the Google Pixel 8. Again, same thing. Going on over to this light, you could see the light, pretty much. And just like any other normal phone, the S24 and the S24 Plus do not have that anti-reflection display or glass on there. So there you go. And I've already cleaned this. Well, pretty much they don't give you any sort of liquid cleanser in here for this kit. It is all just dry. So I was able to do it just fine and perfectly yesterday. So here is the actual packaging for it, and here is everything that you get in the box for this screen protector. Now these do come with two, and I did have two, so I have four. Now I got three, and here it is right here. You pretty much just go ahead and will tear this apart, and here is the actual screen protector. So let's go ahead and set that aside, and in here you get your alignment tool, which has two little sticky spots right in there that you would pull off to align everything. And you also get a squeegee along with a sticker to remove some dust. But like I said, no liquid cleansers or anything, and all you're pretty much going to do is line up the device inside this little kit right here to align the screen protector, and of course wipe it off the best you can. And we're going to use the sticker to get off any other dust on there. And whenever you do that, you want to put the screen protector on as quickly as possible. That way no dust falls on there, with your movement and stuff. So let's go ahead and use the sticker. And notice the reflections of the device, because we're going to see how it looks with the screen protector on. Now, the first step is going to peel off this bottom number one. And then you're going to set it into your little rig and just flop it onto your device. Try to get it as straight as possible and push down right on that little sticky spot right there, and we are good to go. Now you're going to take your squeegee, go to part number two, lift it up, bend it back, and squeegee it down just like that. Do the same thing, bend it back and squeegee it down. And there we go for that part. Now I did get a little bubble right there. We'll go ahead and squeeze that out. And booyah, we managed to get that done. And I usually don't like using screen protectors, especially those self-healing ones, because I don't like the way they feel on the device. But this one is pretty much a plastic screen protector, and it feels just fine on the device. As you can see right here, pretty simple and pretty smooth, but it does have that anti-reflecting features to it. So pretty much a plastic screen protector. And then now we're going to remove the final part, which is part 2. And boom, we are good to go, and it actually came out pretty good. Now this middle line will disappear. Just got to wipe over it with the squeegee. And it will go away eventually over time, as mine did before. And there we go for that. So, is there a difference? Here it is now. You can still see the light on there, but notice it has a little bit of a tint. And then notice this light now compared to before. Here's the Google Pixel. And here it is with the screen protector on. So you can see right there, definitely a huge difference with that reflection with the screen protector going on over to the light. Pixel on the right hand side, and the Galaxy S24 with that screen protector on the left hand side. So definitely a huge difference. It does not hinder the visibility of the device as well. It actually looks really good. You can still see the colors on there perfectly. Does not affect the video quality or the display quality whatsoever. And as you can see right there, you can tell the difference right at the hole punch. Screen protector, no screen protector on there. And there it is. Pretty much everything works fine. Fingerprint sensor works perfectly. And that is pretty much it for that screen protector. And I actually really do like it. It helps out a lot. Is it completely 100% reflective free? No, it is not. But it is close enough. That is how my light looks. And like I said, there's a differences between the two. So hopefully you guys found this video useful. I've been seeing a lot of videos on the Ultra, the screen protector for the Ultra, which is pointless. Like I said, that already has a anti-reflective display, so why do you need one? So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this, found this useful, and I'll see you next time here on the channel. Peace.